Hello and welcome back friends to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone camera as a webcam. You can record high quality videos and also stream on online platforms like Zoom or Google Meet. So for this you will need a piece of software. Just need to go to the web browser and search Webcam. This is the website Dev47 apps. Just click on it and you have to install this in your Android smartphone. I will show you in a moment. Just need to scroll down and click on this one if you are running Windows, or this one if you're running a Linux operating system. So I will click on this one and just click download. Let it download. After it has been downloaded, just run the file. Here click next, click I agree, next, and click install. So this is the application and you need to run it. Now you have to open your Google Play Store and search here Webcam. You can see this is the first app. It is available in a free version as well as a pro version. The pro version will cost you money, and in the free version you will get ads. So if you want, you can also download and pay for the pro version where you will not get any ads. So just install this, and after you have installed, it will be in your app list. Just click to open it, and in here you will see the device IP and the device port. Now you have to type the device IP and the port number here. You need to click video or audio if you want, then you have to click audio also. But if you want to record audio through your desktop PC, then you leave it unchecked. Now in here you have the option to connect your smartphone camera as a Wi-Fi connection or as USB connection. So now I will show you both the options, and just to let you know, the Wi-Fi connection lags little bit because it connects via wireless, but the USB connection is faster. So first I will be showing you how to connect using Wi-Fi. So after you have opened your application on your smartphone, you need to type the device IP here. You can type any one from these three. The port number is 4747, that is okay. So let's type the first one, 192.168.43.1 and click start. And now you can see the camera is recording the video, and you can see on the screen you are shooting the video from the smartphone camera. Here you can see the video quality on the smartphone settings. You can select it high, autofocus, that is continuous, white balance, and exposure lock, that all things you can control. You can turn off the smartphone screen and then also keep recording. Just tap on this button and it will turn off the screen, and still you can record video. Now let's look at the setting where you can connect your smartphone via USB and record. To connect your smartphone with a USB using the Webcam application, you have to configure a setting in your Android smartphone. Just go to the settings go to About Phone. You need to search for the version of your UI. For different smartphone brands it is different. For MI phones it is MIUI version, that is here, and for Samsung it is One UI. So just accordingly you have to go to About Phone settings and keep on tapping the version of your UI several times, and you will get a message that you are developer. I have already done that. Now you need to go to the developer options, scroll down or search in your settings. I will go to this additional settings, and here is the developer options. Now click on the developer options, make sure that it is turned on, and scroll down and turn on USB debugging. See, this is the USB debugging. You need to turn on, and you will get this message, important warning, just accept it and you are good to go. So just connect your USB cable to your smartphone and select file transfer, and then you can see USB debugging is turned on. If you get a message asking for allowing USB debugging on this computer, just click allow and click refresh by selecting USB over here on the desktop app and click refresh. So after a couple of refreshes you can see the device name will be shown here, and you need to turn on the app for that on your smartphone, and after that you can click start here. And as you can see, the smartphone is connected via USB, that is shown here, and you can now record or stream your video from your smartphone. Now here you can see I am using the video capture device from the laptop webcam to Droidcam source 3. Just select the one that appears, and here I am recording from the camera itself. As you can see, this is the camera view from my recorder setup here. The same thing can be done with any of the online meeting platforms like Google Meet or Zoom. You just need to select the camera to be Droidcam and source may be 2 or 3. So as you can see, I'm recording this and at the same time recording the desktop here. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon to turn on the notifications, and like, share and comment on the videos. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.